When you think about living things, bacteria might not be the first on your list, but they do exhibit the fundamental characteristics of living organisms. Bacteria can grow and change, respond to their environment, maintain homeostasis, have a metabolism and respire, and reproduce, passing traits to their offspring. Not only are bacteria alive, they are the most abundant of all organisms. How do microbes live? They live in soil, the foods we eat, and inside our bodies. Many pathogens, disease-causing organisms, are bacteria, but bacteria perform many other functions too. For example, some help plants absorb nitrogen from soil, and some live in the digestive system of animals to help break down food. Bacteria are single-celled and prokaryotic. They do not have an organized nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. But they do have chromosomes organized in a single closed DNA circle, clustered in an area called the nucleoid. Bacteria have a cell membrane too, which is responsible for regulating what enters and leaves the cell. This helps the cell maintain homeostasis. However, many life processes take place outside the cell. For example, bacteria release enzymes to break down food sources outside the cell into nutrients that can be absorbed through the cell membrane. Waste can also be excreted through the membrane. The protective cell wall gives bacteria their shape and plays a role in protection and communication. The flagellum, a long hair-like structure, enables movement. Bacteria have been known to respond to stimuli, moving towards foods like glucose and away from toxic chemicals. Many species of bacteria have pili, shorter projections that enable them to attach to other cells and surfaces. The cytoplasm is where the functions for cell growth, metabolism, and reproduction are carried out. Bacteria reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission. The cell replicates its chromosomes, forming two genetically identical copies. Then, the cell elongates and divides into two new daughter cells, identical to the original. This process can occur very rapidly, resulting in a large colony of bacteria from a single cell. Although some bacteria can make you sick, it is important to remember that many kinds of bacteria are good for you. In fact, your body has more resident bacteria than it has human cells.